Early morning. Early morning this morning. We are going down to Toolfair. It is currently 6:45 in the morning. This is the earliest that I have been. I mean, I've been awake at this time plenty of times, but I've not actually got out, had a shower, and then been in my car ready to go this early in a long time. So we're going to drive down. I'm just currently rolling a little stogie just for the travels down. Today we're hoping to find a free coffee, because something said about it on the last video. We will try and fit a coffee in, but the aim today is to get pissed. Plenty of drinks. That is the deal. The deal that was struck was, I will come down to Toolfair, I will help you sell your buckets, I want some free booze. pretty much. So we're going to go down, meet Pete. We're going to have some bevs. It's going to be a good time. We are going to try not to get kicked out. That was just a joke last time. We are not going to try and get kicked out, but I might get drunk. Oh, some of last night's KFC. Oh, that straw's not held up well. It's not held up well at all. Oh, it sounds like I'm hungover now. It's just, I'm not that up this early. Oh, refreshing. You can taste the cardboard in it. Lovely. Right, let's go down. Let's sell some buckets. Let's have some fun in the evening. We are going to get pissed. So let's go. You won't believe where we're staying, right? So, it's like, oh, the hotel's a surprise. We're staying at a safari park. We're staying at Chessington Safari Park. Oh, this is some bullshit, right? So, I literally got to the junction. It says ULEZ to the left. I've got to go 1 mile to the fucking hotel, into the ULEZ zone. And I'm looking to see if there's a camera, because I never had to deal with this shit. If there's not a camera on this mile journey, I am not fucking. I'm just gonna wing it. Oh, I don't know. I'm just gonna hope and pray. Well, I might have pulled off the most genius move. The camera is right by the exit, pointing down the road, right? So it's gonna pick it up from behind. I've gone into the exit, then come out of this like little slip road bit back there, so the camera's here, waited for a big HDV, and then pulled out in front of the HDV so the camera can't see the number plate. I might have got away with it. I've got away with this. That'd be so sick. Don't fucking send this to the police, right? Or I don't know if I'm doing anything illegal right now. Fuck you, Les. Come on. It's only 1 mile into it. 1 camera. I think I've got past it. Fuck Sadiq Khan. Fuck the UK government. What a bullshit fucking thing to do next to a fucking tourist attraction. You bastards. You know what you're doing. You money making fucking horrible cunts. I'm sorry, but legit, fucking what sort of hotel is this? Right, okay, we're going to the hotel parking, and I forgot we haven't done the intro yet, so let's get straight into the video. Woo! Let's go see some fucking giraffes, baby. Okay, I think this is the hotel we're staying in. Okay, sure. It's a strange place for a plumber, but that's what we're doing. So I'm hoping just to drop off the bag, which, lol, very on brand. It's a Baco bag. Meet up with Pete, and then I think we're going together. I'm hoping I can get some scran in here. So it's literally like a family hotel, like playing Bluey. It's all themed, obviously, like a safari. but I've just snuck in to hopefully get a coffee. Right, so we have secured our first free coffee. Obviously, it's just from the buffet, so it's shit, it's dead, it's a free. But let me show you. It's like we're actually in the buffet restaurant bit, so let's get some free food. Are you okay? Yeah, very good, thank you. Right, let's go get a plate. Right, we got our free breakfast, which I haven't even checked in. But it wasn't English, it was the African experience. So I've had the full African experience. And the woman came over and she was like, well, what's your room number? And you got to say it with confidence. Say it with confidence. Oh yeah, room 69 every time. So she's walking around just clearing up plates. I don't think she's gonna bust me, but it's what it is. Free coffee. And a first for the channel, a free breakfast. Gosh. There is it's a safari. I don't know what animals are out there. Oh my god, shut up. There's some of these whatever those are, jackals? Look, it's hardly a lion or a monkey, is it? But they're wild, they're African, they're animals. Obviously, there's no one out here in this area because it's full of children in there. And families. And now there's going to be a bunch of plumbers selling buckets. There is a pool. There is a pool, and I really want to go to the pool, but I should have packed swimming trunks. I'm an idiot. I'll be actually going in there right now, legit, before Pete gets here. But there's a gym. Obviously, don't need that, do we? Arcade. So I'm at the back of the arcade, just having a little stoke. But I've got no idea how far away the race course is for Tool Fair. I don't know how much longer Pete's going to be here because I don't know where the train station is from here. Right, so we spoke to Pete. Now, he's about halfway between here and the race course. It's 15 minutes away. 15-minute drive, not walk, drive. So, ideally, I'm not driving there because... You know what I mean? But, and we're going to they booked a restaurant after the show. Get a few pina coladas in. So I'm hoping Pete comes here, then we can go in together, get a little Uber or whatever. I've never ever got an Uber in my life. I live in the sticks. I live in the countryside. We don't have Uber, okay? We don't have Uber. So I don't know how it works. I don't know if I've got to register. I haven't got a card on me. I've only got my phone. That was a good idea, wasn't it? I don't know. Basically, if Pete comes here, he's walking. He was like, it's going to take like 40 minutes before we actually get to the show, which starts in 10 minutes. Just downloaded Uber. There's a fucking driver there. Just literally there. 5 minutes, downloaded the app. Here he is. He's pulling in. I'm just going to wait here, I suppose. He needs somewhere to turn around because he can't get past that barrier. So let me jump in. Right, we're here. Albert, the driver, bless him, he's dropped me off. So where is Pete? Somewhere. Let's find him. I've got my badge. I found Pete. Say hello, Pete, to YouTube.
Hello, Pete, to YouTube.
Right. Bria! Sorry, mate, can you just... No. Oh. We are with the Bucket Man. That was to be enthusiastic. It's the Bucket Man. It's the Bucket Man with his bucket hat. There we go. Right, so this is the bucket, the handy folding bucket. So what we got? Holders. We've got straps to actually hold the pump in place. Quarter turn valve with a 1/2 inch thread. And then on the outside you can see that it goes to a hose lock. Detachable handles, all reinforced. And there we go, the handy folding bucket. But make sure you miss it. And we got our first ever owner of a handy folding bucket. I bet you feel amazing, don't you? I'll see you on YouTube later. Right, cheers. Oh, and it folds. It folds with a lead strip inside of it so that it can wrap around pipes and things like this without costing you £300 and being blue, without giving anything more away. And it's 35 quid. Right, free coffee review. Oh, there's a fly in it as well. Look at that. Get out. Right, free coffee review. Have you got your coffee?
I've drunk mine.
Right, out of 10.
I'm gonna go 6.
That's a bang on. It's lower than a Costa, and a Costa's a 5 in my rating. So that's a 4. It's a not even that. It's a 3. It's a 3. It's a dead coffee with flies in it. Right, it's like 2 o'clock. So there's only one thing that we're looking for. We're looking for beer. We're looking for a bar. I don't know if we're going to find one because everywhere looks. I don't know. It looks like an alcohol-free zone, which is not going to go down well. I don't know. We'll update it. We'll update it once we've got a beer. Even if we have to go to a corner shop, like a pair of, I don't know, hooligans. That's what we'll have to do. Food hall. No, because that's just more tools, isn't it?
Yes. That was where.
Oh, there's just all these tools at Tool Fair that are in the way of the bar. The bar. That's all we want. All the bars are shut. Oh no. So, but luckily, Fanny's tucked away in the corner. Come on in, son. Right, first one. Cheers.
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 Chaps.
Cheers. Right, I've recorded jack shit of the actual of tools, and then I've realised I'll put my videos out at 6 o'clock, so I can't even do a pissed vlog, which I'll film me getting pissed as much as I can, and then I'll put it in tomorrow's. So for now, that's the end of the vlog, I think. Possibly, unless you can see more to scroll through on the footage. So, outro time, baby. Hit the subscribe button, even though this video has been completely pointless. And the code word for today is, give me a code word, Pete.
Bucket.
Bucket. Your mum has a big bucket. He's running away. He's like, no, don't say that. Right. Your mum's got a big bucket. Just big bucket. That's it. Big bucket. Put that in the comments. Hit subscribe button. Right, that's it. Show's over. Everyone's packing up now. So we're going to head up to CT1 because that's where all the cocaine and the hookers tend to hang out, as that's what they pay all our influencers with, is cocaine and hookers. So let's go. I might get a sponsorship deal. Right, I'm pretty pissed to be fair, but let me take the car out now. Oh, bub. Let's find our room. Where are we? We are number 224. So let me show you the room. I'm in the Serengeti suite, as you can see. Oh, this is going to be fucking... Oh, look at that African carpet, man. 224. Right, let me find it. Oh, I think that was it. 2, 2, 3. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see the room. Bosh, we have got fucking bunk beds. Oh, why are you so blurry? There we go. Monkey bunk. Look, so when I wake up, I might sleep in a bunk bed tonight. Bagsy top bunk. Right, there's the laptop. Let me edit this absolute garbage footage together. Thank you for watching. I love you all. And I'm gonna get pissed.